equities market resumed trading activities on a negative note as NSE ASI records 1.53% loss amid increased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 8.80%. Welcome to the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 24,479.22 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.769 trillion naira in 4,464 deals. At the close of trading for the day, investors lost 198.5 billion naira that erased the previous day gain as market recorded 10 gainers to 34 losers. Naimet International Pharmaceuticals, Okomu Oil Palm and Associated Bus Company were top gainers for equity, while Cadbury Nigeria, Bua Cement and Unity Bank were among the top losers. FBN Holdings, Nigerian Brewery and Japan Oil and Maritime Services were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMBQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.82 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 387 naira 36 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 387 naira 10 kobo to a dollar and closed at 386 naira 50 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC, the NSI closed at 715.51 basis points with a market capitalization of 525.59 billion. The volume of shares traded was 11,450 and 1.35 million in terms of value traded in 3 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights from the AFEX Commodities Weekly Report, the Commodities Index Composite experienced a slight uptick to close at 203.17 points in the previous week. The index performance appreciated by 0.34% week on week due to the positive market performance of the soybean sub-index as against previous week performance in the week under review. In the open market, maize, sorghum, soybean and paddy rice experienced significant upticks. The aggregate volume of trades executed on the exchange totaled 463.26 MT, with paddy rice and ginger accounting for more than 99% of the total traded volume. Also, at the Nigerian launch of the GRI Tax Standards webinar, Mr. Bola Adeeko, Divisional Head Shared Services, the Nigerian Stock Exchange, said in line with the vital role of taxes in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, countries have been called to step up their efforts to achieve more effective domestic resource mobilization as part of the Addis Action Agenda of 2015. The GRI Tax Standards is the first global sustainability standard for public country-by-country reporting on tax and enables organizations to better understand and communicate information about their tax practices publicly, he said. For the market activities to watch, the MD CEO NASD Mr. Bola Ajamale will speak on investing in securities, the NASD OTC Securities Exchange option at the Capital Banker PLC webinar. Mr. Ajamale will focus on the history and governance structure, products and services, future in the new normal, and value proposition at the virtual event on Thursday, July 9th, 2020. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further update on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday programs. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, Thank you for watching and do stay safe.